Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden, the #1 cooking channel. Yeah, today we're cooking lemon pepper shrimp by Chef Arden. Yeah, we're cooking pepper shrimp, right? And here's the season that we're using for lemon pepper shrimp. Goes down here. We have our all-purpose, Chef Arden's all-purpose season we're going to use. We're going to use some lemon pepper seasoning. There's some cumin also, you know, and some sea salt. So here what we're going to do, you're going to get out your flour, right? And you're going to add some seasoning to your flour. Also, you're going to season up your shrimp. You see how those shrimp look nice? Right. Lemon pepper shrimp by Chef Arden, you know. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, just hit the subscription, you know, and be a member of the fans, you know, fan club, you know. Want to see more fans on the channel. Healthy living, you know. Yeah, this is the raw season that we're going to be using. Scallions, some garlic, chopped minced garlic, scallion, and also some scotchy. And now we're listening to DJ Ray Rankin on a YouTube video, Holding the Vibes. Yeah, you guys could check out that mix too, you know. DJ Ray Rankin. Okay, we have our lemon pepper, so we're just gonna squeeze some lemon on our shrimp, you know. Get that nice flavor in there. I want to taste the lemon in nice, you know. We're gonna add some cayenne pepper also, because this pepper that I deal with gotta have a nice kick. I like cayenne pepper, so we're gonna use black pepper and also cayenne pepper. And you're watching Cooking with Chef Arden, you know? Yeah, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube, you know that. Yeah, you just want to mix in that lemon juice with the season. That's what we're doing now, you know, just mix it up in your pan. Okay, now you're just going to get your flour that we seasoned earlier. Remember, we apply all the season into our flour bag, right? And you shake it up, you shake it up, get all your season up in there, shake it all up. Alright? Now this is going to be your batter that you're going to put your shrimp in. So you're going to dip your shrimps one by one, shake them up, and put it on a clean plate. So we could start the frying, okay? And you're watching Cooking with Chef Arden. So let's put our first shrimp in. So we're just gonna shake. Get it all mixed in. Okay, it's time to turn up the fire. And you know you're cooking with Chef Arden. We have our wok that we're gonna heat up. Throw some oil. Start the frying process. Yeah, so we have our shrimp in our season ready to go for the fryer. Start the frying, you know. Place it right here. Yeah, the frying starts, you know. Start right now. We have about a dozen shrimp, so we're going to do maybe about 6 at a time. Yeah, we're just finishing frying up the last batch of our lemon pepper shrimp. We're gonna make a garlic butter sauce to go with our lemon pepper shrimp. Pepper, scallion for our lemon pepper. Butter garlic sauce, Chef Arden style. We have butter, garlic, pepper, and we're gonna mix it in, we're mixing the flavor. And we're adding the scallion for the flavor also, you know that. So you know this is going to be a nice taste when we finish with this. This is going to be the sauce for our lemon pepper. And you're watching Cooking with Chef Arden. Lemon pepper, a quick, easy appetizer. You can have it with fries, like how we're going to have ours with fries tonight. And this is our garlic and butter sauce. Looks good, don't it? Lemon Pepper by Chef Arden, the #1 food channel on YouTube. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Our garlic and butter sauce is ready to be dipped. There goes our lemon pepper. Thanks for watching. One dip. Take a bite.
Oh my god. We're gonna do the 2 dips.
Again, start first thing tomorrow morning.
Wow.
I'm Chef Arden. You're watching Chef Arden's cooking channel, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe now. Right now, not tomorrow, to now. Hit that subscribe button right now.